Richard Kelly's 2001 film Donnie Darko endures not merely as a cult classic but as a compelling cinematic puzzle. The film follows Donnie, a troubled suburban teenager plagued by visions of a menacing 6 foot tall rabbit named Frank, who warns him that the world will end in 28 days. While the surface plot appears to be a chaotic descent into madness, a deeper analysis reveals a meticulously crafted narrative exploring the themes of free will versus fate, and the search for meaning in a chaotic world and the nature of self sacrifice. The heart of the film is the paradox of the tangent universe, a concept fully explained in the director's cut by the fictional book The Philosophy of Time Travel. The book posits that when a primary universe becomes unstable, a self contained tangent universe is created, centered around a living receiver, Donnie, and the dangerous artifact, the jet engine. This framework presents a direct conflict between free will and predestination. Donnie's actions, flooding his school, burning down a really bad person's house, and ultimately killing Frank, appear to be his own rebellious choices. Yet, the film's lore suggests that these acts are all part of a predetermined path that he follows and refers to as God's path. The tension between Donnie's defiant individuality and the cosmic forces compelling him toward a single outcome is what gives the film its emotional weight. The movie shows us that Donnie starts out as a pretty rude and self-centered teenager. He's very angsty and thinks all adults are hypocrites. The film criticizes the hypocritical adults around him, from the bossy gym teacher to the fake motivational speaker Jim Cunningham. Donnie's wild actions, which seem irrational at first, are actually his way of exposing the fake and corrupt things happening in his seemingly perfect community. This focus on real-world social problems makes the movie's weird sci-fi parts feel more relatable and helps us understand why Donnie feels so isolated and disappointed in life. Ultimately, the film presents Donnie's journey in the tangent universe as a choice: sacrifice himself for humanity or let both universes collapse. By the end, he is transitioned from a boy who saw no point in saving the human race to a Christ-like figure who willingly and peacefully lays down his life. By refusing to provide a single simple answer, Donnie Darko compels viewers to engage with its core questions long after the credits have rolled. The film is also one you need to watch more than once to fully appreciate. On a second viewing, you'll start to notice small details and hints that explain the bigger picture. For example, the movie's entire plot is foreshadowed early on in Donnie's class discussion of a poem that basically spells out the entire plot of the movie. These small moments, which seem minor at first, are actually key to understanding Donnie's journey and his ultimate sacrifice. This layered design makes the film more than just a confusing story. It becomes a detailed puzzle that's deeply satisfying to figure out.